Hey guys, so first I'm just going to be taking some coconut oil and pouring it on it. And if you're looking at this and you're like, what the heck, this is already made up. I accidentally made some and then I was like, wait, I was supposed to record this. So that's why it looks like this already. But so now I'm just going to take some vitamin E oil and I'm just going to pour that in. You want your moisturized lips, people. Come on now. Now I'm going to just take a preservative. You can use any kind. I will have mine linked in the description box below that I use. Then I'm going to take some jojoba oil or whatever you call it. I know people call it many different things. Now just stir, 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 stir. I'm just going to take this glitter because I love glitter and it's in the shade Mother of Pearl. I will have everything linked in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And then now I'm going to use the shade Pink, and I'm just going to put some of that in and stir, stir, stir again. So now I'm just going to take some grapeseed oil and I'm just going to pour some of that in along with some castor oil because it's super thick, and I like to kind of thicken these up just a tad bit because it is pretty liquidy because it's just straight oil. Now I'm just going to take my flavoring, my scent oil, and it's by Get Suckered, and I'll have everything linked in the description box. And I just have the flavor strawberry, and I just do quite a few drops because I really like it to have a strong smell. So now I'm just going to take my little strawberries and put them inside my tubes. If you guys would like, if you're wondering where to purchase these, I do sell them, so you can always DM me for any questions about wholesale. But so yeah, I'm just gonna put this in, and then I'm gonna take my syringe and start filling them up. After everything is full, you're just going to put the little lid on and they are done. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. Everything will be linked in the description box below. I am having a giveaway and I hope you guys enter.